Hey guys, this is Julie Willits, the Nanapreneur. So I just wanted to give a little bit of an update on the S3 method. Okay, so here we have our little S3 method prospecting group. And today, I believe, yeah, it was today, I posted this as one account and some of my earnings that have happened so far for the month of April. Now we also have, here's one from Amy that she is doing really great on this account, and she just opened it on April the 12th. And she's already in profit on this account and doing really, really well. And here we have another one from Sandra. And she is, you have seen, these are the subscription fees, right? And then this is what she has been paid out. So let's see if I can pull up calculator. Move me over here. So 68.20. So for $56, she made $12.12, and on the $40, she made $8.45. So you can see that pretty much each dollar you're putting in, you're getting a return. And that's how we are able to go ahead and make money on a daily basis. Now here she had a really good one. She paid out $57 and she made $69.55. So, you know, let me get rid of this calculator thing. I don't know how to do it now. So if you had a bank account, or a savings account, let's even put it that way. I mean, what are you getting 25% on each dollar that you're putting away? You're not. So if you could take that money and it was still going to be growing throughout the month, and if you don't recruit, which you do not have to, you do not have to recruit, you do not have to sponsor, you would be able to make a maximum of approximately $3,000 a month, which is pretty much a full-time income for many people. Many people aren't even making that type of money. Perhaps you just want to supplement your income. So you could make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month easily doing this S3 method. And, you know, Amanda has even taken it, who is the owner of the S3 method. I mean, she has even taken it to another level, you know, teaching others how to market, how to do attraction marketing, how to do affiliate marketing. And a lot of these people have no experience whatsoever. And many of them have come in here. This is the first time they have been successful online, which is the ultimate goal of what Amanda is trying to do. So once she figured out all the failures, she wanted to share with others how to become successful. Now, it depends on what you want. It depends on the time you have, if you really want to do the affiliate part of it, or if you just want to make an extra income every month consistently with payments coming in on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. You know, that's the beauty of it. You're in total control, but you really need the blueprint. I mean, if I gave you some kind of website right now and said, here's my referral link, you know, go here and go figure it out, that would not be very helpful. And sometimes that's what we end up with. But I want to reassure you, if you are interested in doing something online and you've been very hesitant, this is something true that we will be there to help you through every step of the way, as long as you're putting forth the effort. We're not going to do anything for you. There is nothing done for you in the S3 method. You have to want to be able to, make your income, be successful, whatever that means to you. But you need the blueprint and the training to be able to accomplish that. Now, it's not very high ticket or anything like that, but it's something necessary. It's an investment that you're putting into yourself. I mean, if you were going to go do something in the stock market, would you just try and do that by yourself? No, you would actually pay somebody to make those type of investments for you. Well, and this is the same principle. You're going to pay a little bit in the beginning just to learn the blueprint, know what you have to do, and have everything set out as far as guidelines. But thereafter, you're going to take it and run with it. And then you're going to recoup that money back by either doing the product testing and perhaps even promoting the actual training. If you don't want to promote the training, you don't have to. You could still make your money back within at least 30 to 60 days with just the product testing portal. So I hope that helps you out a little bit. I have received, some messages and people even texting me, and I've made a few phone calls to kind of explain what we are doing here. Now, the product testing site is several different Fortune 500 companies. It's not actually one particular company. It is an umbrella under one because they all have the same back office, they all have the same login method, and they all have the same W-9 form that you fill out. So this is something that you have to understand if you've never been online before. And a lot of people, or some people, are still don't want to take that risk. They want something in writing, and they said, what if they do the training and then they decide they don't want to do it? Well, you don't go buy groceries and decide that you don't like salmon and then take it back to the store. So you're not going to get any type of refund if you get the training that is provided. That is what you paid for. And then if it's something you don't want to do, then it doesn't work like that. You're going to pay for it. It's not going to be refundable. And I believe Amanda even states that you have to agree to that on the checkout page before you're even allowed to pay for the course, okay? Anyway, that's all I have for you today, and I will see you on the next video, and let's make some money. All right, bye now.